So while trading on Binance NFT Marketplace, you want to stay safe. You want to try as much as possible to avoid scams. So at the end of this tutorial, you should be having a good understanding on how to go about it. So first and foremost, we do recommend you follow up, and whenever you're signing into the Binance application, you need to sign up with your with the official link. You need to sign up with the official Binance link, and make sure it's you're not clicking on unsolicited ads. You're not clicking on unsolicited links, and make sure you're downloading the Binance application from the right source. The Binance app is currently available on the Binance Play Store. It's currently available on Play Store. That's what we're currently using. We're on the pro version now. So once you've logged in, either you can utilize the mobile app, or the you can also utilize the desktop version. We'll also be dropping a link in the description box of this video so you can get access to it. So make sure your account is verified. So step one, make sure you follow the official Binance link in accessing your account and logging in. Step two, make sure your account is verified and your security code you've imputed your two-factor security authentication to help secure your account be advanced. So we do recommend you utilize the Google Authenticator. Is one of the best, as well as if you want to add it to your email verification or phone number verification. But the Google Authenticator is one of the best, which that is highly recommended also. So you can click on this more. Once you click on the more, it's going to show you services on the pro version. Once it takes you there, it's going to click on the Binance NFT. Once you've clicked on the Binance NFT, it's going to take you directly to Binance NFT Marketplace, where you'll be able to see lots of NFTs. You can also list your own NFT. You can also aside listing your NFT, you can also make purchases or trade on this platform easily. So tip three, we usually do recommend you read and get appraised with Binance terms and conditions. The terms and conditions for Binance NFT Marketplace. We usually recommend you read it and get appraised with it as a beginner. So here on Binance does well to drop updates about recommended creators and recommended collections. So for the recommended creators and recommended collections, these are current trending creators and current trending collections that uh, you can go ahead in utilizing. Where you can follow these recommended creations and you can make purchases from there, and your transactions are usually scam free. You're usually scam free, although Binance do suggest that you make always do your own research. But these recommended collections are usually from sources of people. There are lots of people that have made use of that have bought from them. So you can see their top creators, top sales, and top collections. So right on the list we have a Burning Park. Burning Park has done a $6 million, $6 million. It says here mid sales of 27 sales, 68 items gone. Then we have the Race NFT, done sales of $5 million plus, 2,682 sales, 1,287 sales. So you can check out these NFTs and these creators. You can check out their contract addresses. You can check out their contract addresses, verify them from the official website of these platforms. We also have for Ape NFT, we have Morals, we have NFT Pride, we also have Binance NFT, we have Baby Swap. There are usually about 20 of them which you can check out. These are usually the recommended ones. You can see their 30 days movement. You can also see users feedbacks from after purchasing these NFTs. So those are some of the research you need to do to ensure that you are being safe while utilizing this platform. Those are some of the research you need to put into place. Now for on Binance platform, you need to NFT marketplace, you need to understand their various NFTs. NFTs are meant to be unique. They are meant to be as unique as possible. So by unique, it means that they are usually not interchangeable. So it has different from BTC. BTC or Bitcoin, they can be interchanged easily. But for NFTs, they're usually unique. So unique, and they come in various patterns. They come in super rare, they come in rare, they come in common, and they also come in legendary looks. So you need to understand the differences between these NFTs. The ones that are mostly expensive are the ones that are from popular figures like CryptoPunks. We have Aping NFTs and lots of them, guys. So you want to take note of those popular ones and differentiate between the popular NFTs and the ones that are not popular. There are some creators that do list their NFTs here. You want to check out the official handles of these NFTs to make sure that you are dealing with the exact NFT. Although Binance does their own parts with by making sure that whichever NFT that is listed here, they usually carry out their own research that these NFTs are usually as legit as possible. But you need to also do your own research. You need to also do your own research to avoid any scams that might or any circumstances. So right here we have lots of NFTs here. We have lots of NFTs which you can check out. So once you click on the NFT, once you've clicked on any NFT on the Binance marketplace, you'll be able to see the contract addresses. All you need to do is copy this contract address. Copy this contract. Once you copy the contract address, you can also go over to the official website or the official handle of this NFT owner. You can see the owners of this NFT to go and compare these contract addresses. To once you've been able to compare these contract addresses, that it tallies with the official or original. You can scan these NFTs too on Etherscan. Once you've been able to do that, you can also help mitigate against scams on the NFT marketplace. And also, we'll also be looking at this article from Binance. So guys, we'll be looking at this article from Binance that talks about how to set your Binance NFT account limits to protect assets. So basically, what this should help you do should help you set a particular limit on your account to avoid issues where your account might be compromised and your funds in your accounts will be wiped out. So this helps you reduce the amount of funds you are able to or transactions you are able to make in a particular period of time. So to ensure a safe and secure to ensure a safe and secure NFT trading experience, so you can now customize your NFT purchasing and listing limits on Binance NFT. These limits can help protect your account from computer malware and phishing and scams. So how to customize your account? First of and foremost, you need to go over to the Binance NFT uh, marketplace. You click on user center and account limit. So once you click on user center, you click on account limit. So you see a pop-up with your current limit. To customize the limit, click edit and complete further security verifications. So once you've done that, you see current account limit. So now we have a daily total purchase limit. So daily total purchase limit, this is the maximum amount you can purchase in a day. This limit helps you protect your account from phishing malware. So for instance, if your limit is set as 5,000 euros, it means that you already spent 500 euros today. You will only be able to purchase 4,500 euros with the rest of the particular days. So this 4,500 euros will be displayed under your daily remaining purchase limit. So that's how the daily total purchase limit works. So you can decide to put whichever value that you seem fit. Then also it says we also have the total asset listing limit. The total asset listing limit happens to be the maximum amount you can list for your NFTs. So this limit requires additional confirmation from you so as to prevent you from listing a high priced NFT by mistake. For example, you own a 20,000 BUSD NFT and several 30 to 50 BUSD NFTs in your Binance NFT wallet, and your total asset listing limit is set to 10,000 BUSD. If you want to sell the 20,000 BUSD in the NFT, you will have to verify the listing by security verification first. So guys, this is where your two-factor verifications might come in, or whichever verification you set on your account. Also, you also note that you are not allowed to change your limit 3 times per day. So you might also see the below pop-ups when you purchase or list NFTs. So one of the pop-ups is purchase decline. This means that the amount of NFT you are trying to purchase has exceeded the daily remaining purchase limit or daily total purchase limit you set. So to proceed with your purchase, click raise limits and complete security verifications. So those are some of the tips you want to take note of. Then also verification required, which means that the amount of NFT you're trying to list has exceeded your total asset listing limit if you still want to list it. So guys, these are some of the tips you want to take note of in protecting yourself from crypto scams or NFT scams on the Binance NFT. You want to take note of these two-factor verification methods and utilize these principles in setting account limits on your NFT in your user account in case of cases where you might have a malware or phishing scams or your computer breach. So those are some of the things you want to take note of. Also, I'm going to be showing you a summary of the tips on how to protect yourself from scams while you trade these NFT. I say first and foremost, you need to do your own research. Make sure you read Binance terms and conditions as well as FAQs on the Binance NFT Marketplace as much as possible. So you want to take note of that. Secondly, to use only the Binance official website app in accessing the NFT Marketplace. So make sure you need to use unsolicited links and not usually advised, as these links might contain phishing scams that they may utilize in and scamming you. Also, you also have understanding fake NFTs. Now, when we talk about NFTs, we talked about you need to verify the NFT authenticity with their contract addresses. So each NFT usually has a unique property. They have these contract addresses which you can check out to see the price listings. So for a CryptoPunk NFT, you know that their prices are usually very expensive. You know the original NFT price for a particular NFT price for a particular NFT is usually very high. So you want to confirm whenever you see that there's a NFT of same name that is bearing a lesser value, a very lesser value. So those are some things you want to take note of. You shouldn't be greedy. You should try as much as possible to avoid greed. They also have you can also utilize hardware or ledger wallets to keep safeguard your assets. You can utilize it in safeguarding your assets. Also, you can also check out the description and the property. Most of these tokens, most of these NFTs are usually fall between rarity, common, super rare, and as well as other legendary. So for the common NFTs, you get to see them in lots of places. But for the ones that are super rare, you only find them in a particular spot. You only find them you only find them in a particular you find them they are limited in nature. So we also have a official NFT website for support or social handles. So Binance also offer official support handles that you can also reach out to in cases where you have issues or you are having discrepancies in understanding anything. You can also reach out to them for clarifications. Then also you can also bookmark the web pages and avoid clicking ads that could be phishing links or unsolicited links. So once you've gotten the NFT marketplace, you can bookmark it and keep it in your browser to avoid clicking unsolicited links. Also, then lastly, say only connect your wallet addresses, MetaMask, Trust Wallet to Binance official and NFT website in cases where you might need to, or as well as in cases where you might need to in other NFT marketplaces. To learn to differentiate between common rare, super rare, and super rare legendary NFTs. So trading with recommended Binance NFT creators can also help avoid scams. So guys, apparently that's what we have today. If you have any questions on how to go about these NFTs, you want to take note of these simple tips. I'll be dropping all the links you need in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We hope these updates keeps you from crypto scams, as well as NFT scams. We hope you this helps you in your career. So stay safe, and thanks for watching.